Page 155. This is the one at the bottom of the page. Sleep, baby, sleep. Doing the same thing we've been doing. So let's do what we've been doing. First, I want to get the melody. This is 1 flat. We're in the key of F major. There's 1 flat. 4/4 time. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here I come down a bit. I move. That's just a broken C chord. Reach up the octave. F chord, and then here, then they want a 3. That's fine. And there. So we are moving around a little bit. Okay. Then the chords. Well, F major. 1 chord is here. And the dominant 7th chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember how well we did all that? You just come down 1 step. It's the 5/7 chord. Those are the chords we're going to use. The question is when. Try them out. Let's see what happens. Here. This may be too high. The hands are, I can come down here. My problem is when I get here, this is getting too low. It's not, ugh. So for this little exercise, I'm going to take the melody up here. So I can play it here and it sounds, I think it sounds better. And then here, whoops, that didn't work. I got to go here. That doesn't sound right here. No, here. And here. Get the idea? They want you down here, but I don't like having the hands that close together. They tend to fight and not get along, so I have to keep them separated. And then you put in the names of the notes and the Roman numeral stuff. That's okay. They want you to transpose this to G major. G major has 1 sharp. All the F's are sharped. So the chords is G, and then here for the chords. And then for G, if you take a look at this, an F major here, G major here. G major is just a step up from F. So I can take all those notes in the music and just go up 1 note in the staff. So instead of an A, it's a B. Here, do that. So it's here. D. D. A. Remember, there's an F sharp in G major. Here. Here. And then measure 7, it's an A. Just go up 1 note in the staff. And then scrunch up. That's the melody. Then you just add the chords to it. You do it. Yeah. Let me know if you have questions. I'll be happy to ignore them, I guess.